My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are related to the website Toftheca.buzz. Toftheca.buzz is a malicious site that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to make them click on this allow button, supposedly to help people continue their browsing, but the real purpose of these pop-ups is to force people into subscribing to the web push notifications. If people mistakenly click on allow button, their browser would be hijacked and immediately infected with all such ads. So you should definitely deactivate them. Access the menu settings, then privacy and security site settings. Go down to permissions and notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications and remove this malicious site from the list. We also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.